up people, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's again your boy Calvo001 here, guys. So today is another day, another time that God has given us to bring for you another video. Guys, I'm at Mayugno's place, as I told you yesterday, and today is another day. We are here and we just wanted to start installing our CCTV at this place, guys. I'm here and I just want to give you the full tutorial how we do the installation, and if actually you are interested to put or maybe to install a CCTV cameras at your premise, maybe electric fence, biometric access control, the issues concerning the security at your place, I'm here and I can do for you. Like two days back, I was in Nairobi installing for one of our one of my YouTube client. I was installing CCTV camera at his place. He just called me and tell me that, Calvis, I need a CCTV at my place. Will you manage to come and do for me? Yes, we have agreed, and I took everything. I went and I installed, and now I decided to travel this place so that I installed for Mayugno's, because there is some cameras I brought for him. The other time when I came to install for Nastos cameras at his place. So today I've decided again to come and install for Mayugno, which actually we just wanted to start right away. Let me take you at that place where you are. Let me take you at this place. So as you can see, we have started assembling everything here. We have started assembling the cameras at this place. These are the cameras. I hope you see. I hope you're seeing. So these are the cameras. We have the cameras over here. This is the camera. So we have already assembled them. We just wanted to start doing the installation. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. So let me go and we just go and take the pipes for the installation here inside the store. Inside the store. Yes guys, so now we just wanted to start our work for today at this place. This is where we want to put the camera at that corner, and the other one will be on the other corner over there. So I'm here with my friend Nico Buddha. Yes. Nico Buddha is in the building.
Yes,
here,
guys.
my guys.
My name is Nico Buddha.
Yeah.
Virginia boy, a boy from Shamba.
Honestly.
Yes, guys, welcome again to my brother.
Calvo001.
Calvo001 YouTube channel.
Yes.
Guys, supporting my brother here. So today is back from the big scene to the village.
Imagine.
Especially in Nida. You know, you are work for
from Mombasa. to this place.
Yes.
So we just want to install the CCTV camera at Mayugno's place, guys. So I just want my friend to help me out over here to complete this work. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, enjoy the video. Enjoy the video. Kevo 001.
Yes. Back again.
You are back again.
Yeah, I'm back again.
Yeah.
So guys, we just wanted to start mounting those cameras.
Yeah.
Just wanted to start. So I just want to drill. There are some holes we need to drill. Very slippery.
It's hard this side.
I don't know how to use left. Left turn. Sio kama naweza pata nyundo. Nyundo.
Nyundo. Chani kata. Simame tu.
hapa ila nawahi kurudi. Kisii hatujui ila tunaenda Kisii. Haya bwana. You know Donjo?
Kabisa.
Oyema Donjo wa?
Guys, this is Mr. CCTV, Mr. Calvo is killing the job up there.
Nazidi mguu. Jachoza ni cry. Unaona hii ndio inajua kutoboa kigai bude. Hey. Hata na wale mafundo walikuwa wanakuja na kitu inakaa sijui kama aje. Hii ndio inajua kutoboa kigai.
Yes.
Ukikaribia kumaliza uniambie basi tupige tumalize hiyo hata dakika 20.
Sawa.
Haya.
So part 1 we have already finished. We just wanted to start mounting the, installing the cameras now. We do the cabling. We have cable. We have the cables over here. As you can see, these are the cables. We have some here. The one we were using as a extension cable. Stay tuned, guys.
Niko Buda. Yo.
Yo, unilainishe waya. Unilainishe. Na venye imekunjana hapa chini. Hiyo moja. So this is the cameras we are installing here, guys. As you can see, we are now finished one. We are going to the next step. This is for the back house. I mean for the back entry house. So you see, you have done with this one. We've done with this one. Let's go to the next step. Nani huyo analia? Analia nini? So this is the second one. We're done with. Hello my people, I'm already done with whatever I was doing at this place. I'm already installed the cameras. The only thing I'm waiting for is just only to test them if they are working. Yes, so I'm still waiting for the Mayugno to come so that we can actually test them while he is here at this place. So actually everything is okay, everything is fine. As you can see on the other side, it is far, you cannot see, so I'll just give you a tutorial when I went at that place. I'll give you the full view of how we install it and how it's now working. We'll give you the all view, guys. So at this place, as you can see, look at the full view, because I'm on top of the Villa Redeemer. I'm at Villa Redeemer here, guys, and that place, you see the white things over there, that's Marwa's place, and the solar panels over there is solar panels over there. I hope you can see, guys. I hope you are seeing Marwa's place. It is not far. Uncle Mo is on top, and Mayugno also is there, just around. They're just neighbors at this place. And Mayugno is still going on with the construction, as you can see. This is the water tower. This is water tower, and also there's a big building over there. It's trying to construct a new one, another one. But here is Villa Mama Grace house. This is Mama Grace house where we are, and we are on top. Kino, yes. Come my friend, come. So I'm here with Mayugno's brother. It's called Kino. Kino, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, guys. Welcome to Calvo 001.
Yeah,
we are here in top roof of Mama Grace house.
Villa
Like
Redeemer.
you see, here is Villa Redeemer, and
Yes.
there is top roof of Mama Grace house.
As you can see, guys.
Yes.
We are on top roof.
Yeah, we are in top of roof at Mama Grace house.
Yes.
Yeah, and we thanks God we are good. And Calvo, welcome. You know, Calvo here is like home, because before you already
I was here.
Yeah, we was here.
Yeah.
And now you are here again. So
we are installing the CCTV cameras, guys.
installing
Actually,
something.
guys, what we were doing over here, we were installing the CCTV camera
Yes.
at this premise, which actually we have already done. So the only thing we were waiting for is just only to test them, how they were working. So I'm still waiting for Mayugno to come, and then we continue with whatever we were doing. Yes, my friend, how is your channel doing?
Oh, my channel doing well, I thanks God.
Yes.
Yeah, everything is good.
That's fine. I'm so happy to hear that. So guys, please support my brother here. Just take him to 1,000 subscribers.
Kino _Elisha.
It's called Kino _Elisha.
Yes.
It's a brother to Mayugno.
Yeah.
And also, guys, we were just struggling for that for now. Take us to 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
So please if it is your first time, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment to our YouTube channel. Take us to another levels. We will be very happy and we will appreciate for your support, guys. So we are still at this place.
Yeah.
Still at Mayugno's place.
Yes.
Yeah, you see there is so many things happening. Like he has several construction which is going on.
Yes.
We have a new house over there,
Yeah.
which is too much. It's big, my friend.
It's big, yeah.
It's like around 10 bedrooms. Is it reaching 10 bedrooms?
It can't reach 10 bedrooms.
It is like we have like the
Something
ground
like
floor.
8.
Ground floor.
No, me to count, I don't count, but it's like 8. By seeing it, it's like 8.
8 bedrooms.
Bedrooms, yeah.
Imagine, hey, 8 bedroom. You know, Mayugno has a lot of visitors. That's the reason why he's building the big house, because he's a man of the people. Just like our mentor Haya Marwa, he has several bedrooms in his home. So that's the you know, if you come from what, how do we call it, a successful person,
Yeah.
you have to do whatever what your father, what your mentor is doing.
Yeah.
You have to copy everything. So I'm so happy for that, because these two guys, all YouTubers which is coming around Nyaboanse, they are working so hard. Actually, they are working so hard, each and every person at least to have his home, which is quite good. Even me, one time, if I have mine, I'll be so happy. It is really good, and it's really amazing. It is good if you see your colleague is actually he has a good progress. He's progressing. We have to appreciate that. We have to appreciate, and we have to support each other. Yes. It's only that the support is more important. The only thing you can support us, guys, is just only watch our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channels. We will really appreciate. That's the only support we need, guys. Yeah. So here we are on top. Actually, we are on top. You can even see the view. Look at the view. This is maize corn. All of this up to down. The other side there is a river between this land. It's called Nyami.
Yeah, other side there is
Nyamwin.
Yeah.
And this side
is called something like Guitacho.
Oh, Guitacho.
Yes.
Okay. So which means where you people are, like the most YouTubers are, is called Guitacho.
Guitacho, yes.
And the other side is called Nyaboanse.
Yes,
but the center.
The people
like
to call here is Nyaboanse.
Yes, Nyaboanse as a whole.
But this is street.
Is like a clan. This is a clan area.
Yeah,
Guitacho, Nyamwini,
yes.
Nyaboanse, the other side.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the other side? If you go the other side, how does it call? If you leave the Nyaboanse center,
it's called I forget. But when you going in this side is Kiburanga. Yes, other side is called something there. The place where Mapopo is building there is
Mapopo. Which Mapopo?
Mapopo.
You know we have Mapopo.
Yes.
2 Mapopos. I don't know.
This Mapopo first, he was a friend of my.
Yes.
The place is called I forget, but the name is.
Oh, he also has a construction going on.
Yes.
Okay.
He has a construction.
Me, the Mapopo I know.
Yeah.
The one which is at Mayugno, Nastos place. Anaitwa Popo Africa or what?
You say Pope.
Pope. You know, Mapopo na Pope is just like the same one.
This Mapopo it is called Mapopo 2023.
Okay. Mapopo I saw in Mayugno's channel. There is a time he came.
Yeah, before in the beginning of Mayugno was with Mapopo.
Yeah, they were together. Then Mapopo left, and then he came again.
He came again. And now also again he left.
He left again.
But heavy construction so there. So he's called something, I forget this.
Okay.
This side, yeah.
That's great. So why Mayugno do this construction? The reason why he diverted this place.
Oh, to make perimeter wall.
Yeah, this perimeter wall, because I can see his boundaries the other side. but he decided
so you
to
mean
this
maybe was to make perimeter wall in a boundary. You know space for the road, you know. This is
okay.
place.
So which
Yes.
means what we are trying to say,
Yes.
if he could just go straight,
Yeah.
it might enter to the government land.
You say this
this
like
one, this
fauna.
curved, yeah.
No, this is like, you know, Mayugno is someone
Creative.
creative man, so
Okay.
he need to create a lot of things. So here is like he create something to make sure. Yeah.
What Mayugno is trying to do, because me, I think if he could go straight, and you know there is a road which is passing here, see? Isn't it? Yeah, there is a road which is passing over here. So if he goes straight, he might block the road. So that's the reason why he diverted this.
The road, because here there is Mayugno space. Mayugno ameacha yani. Yes.
Like 5.
It's 5. No, it's not more than 5. Like
4 meters, 5 meters, 10 meters.
Yes, like 10 meter.
Oh,
from the road.
From the road.
Yes.
Okay.
Because outside there, from the road there is a land of Mayugno is up to there, like up you see. There. Yeah. So there is a lot of space that Mayugno left. Yeah. Because of road.
Okay, what I know, maybe, you know, he left this one big because maybe in future he might have a car or whatever.
Yes, and so also you know, and this guy which is owner of land of this side also can lefty or something.
So the road will become big.
Become big, yes.
Okay, I understand you now. That's the reason why. Okay. This is amazing. Mayugno is doing amazing work, I'm telling you. Like building such kind of this house in the village.
Yes.
My friend, is not easy. It is not easy. He's struggling a lot. Of this.
Yes.
So that's great. That's good. Let me end my video.
Yeah.
So guys, please, as we asked you before, subscribe, like, share and comment, please, kindly please. So bye for now. Yes, my good people, welcome and welcome back again, guys. I'm at this place. I'm at Nyaboanse. I'm still here, and now I just want to head to Nastor's place. Yesterday I went, but I didn't find him. So I decided just to come back. And today, actually I just contacted with him and he told me that he's around. He went just bordered there, but he's already back at home. So I just want to go and meet him, just to say hi to him, because it has been long. It has been long since we left each other. So now let me just go at that place so that I see how everything is going on. You know, it is good to, when you come to a certain place, just visit your very long friends, say hi to them. So guys, this is the main road. This is the main road from Nyaboanse Center. This road is taking you up to these guys. This is a lot of cement. Not cement, sand. Guys, look at that. A heap of sand. I'm telling you. Right there. I'm telling you. Where? There's a sand. Wow. Nice sand over there. So let's head Mayugno's place over there, Nastor's place right there. Let's go up. So I was just explaining to you guys, you see this road. This road is taking you up to Tanzania. It's taking you up to Tanzania. So right now we are in Kenya, and we just want to go there. Yes.